Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome. If you're new, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So I already prepped my nails, applied my peel off base coat and my nail tips off camera just to save some time. I also buffed the surface of the nails as well off camera. So now I am applying my sunscreen to my hand to protect my hand because it is going to be in the lamp often in this video. Then I am applying my gel base coat to all of the nails and I cure for 30 seconds. So in this video I am going to be using a lot of the colorful July items that I unboxed in my last video, so I will link to that video in the card so that you can check out all of the nice nail goodies that I got in my colorful July summer mystery box. So after curing the nails for 30 seconds, I'm going to be using this nude polygel from Makartt. If you'd like to purchase anything from Makartt, you can use my code. It would be listed in the description below and on the screen. So I just placed a bead of the nude polygel on the middle nail and I'm just going to be distributing that on the whole nail just to cover the whole nail. Then I flip my finger over so that I can make sure that the polygel stays within the nail so that it could maintain the shape of the nail. Then I flip my finger back over to smoothen the surface of the nail. Then I remove the excess polygel and I would cure this nail for 30 seconds. Now I apply the second layer to the nail bed area because I want to create my apex for this nail. So I just evenly distribute this polygel around the cuticle area so that it fits nicely around that area and that it is flush with my cuticle, so it looks like it's growing out of my nail. And then I bring the polygel down the nail a bit and I leave some at the nail bed area so that I can create my apex, and I'm just showing a side view of the nail so that you all can see how I'm leaving a bit of the polygel at the apex area and then bringing down the rest of the polygel and blending it in with the cured polygel, and whatever needs to be removed would be removed. And then I'm just shaping the polygel on the nail, making sure that it looks nice from all angles, and when I'm satisfied with how it looks, I would cure that for 30 seconds. So I'm going to be using this Aurora transfer foil, and initially I thought this transfer foil was white, you know, those white iridescent transfer foils that looks so good. However, these transfer foils were clear, so it kind of messed up my whole nail design because I already had plans in my mind on how this nail design was going to look and I needed the milky white iridescent transfer foil. However, they were clear as I said before, so it messed up everything, so I had to remove this middle nail right here. So thank God I had on my oud peel off base coat, so it was very easy to remove this nail and I had to start over. So on the middle nail and the ring nail, I'm going to be applying a very thin bead of clear polygel just to get the nail bed area to be flush with the nail tip, because usually when I buff the surface of the nail tip, usually you have to get the nail tip flush with your natural nails. However, that burns, so I don't really aim to do that when I buff the surface of the nail tip. I usually just buff the surface of the nail tip just because. So in order for the nail tip and my natural nail to be flush and to be straight and even, I applied a very thin bead of the clear polygel to the nail bed area of those two nails and cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using this peach gel polish from the Colorful July package. I'm going to be using that on the middle nail and the ring nail, and I'm going to be doing 3 layers of that. 3 layers gave me full opacity, and I really love this color gel polish. It's so pretty. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing 3 layers on the middle nail and the ring nail and curing each layer for 30 seconds. And I'm also using the nail art brush to go around the critical area so that I can get a neat gel polish application. Now I'm going in with my second layer and curing that for 30 seconds. So I did the third layer off camera, and this is how the nails are looking. Now I'm going to apply gel base coat to both nails and cure for 30 seconds. This part is optional. Now I'm going to be using this transfer foil gel glue from Makartt. So I apply a layer of the transfer foil to the thumbnail. By the way, I did apply clear polygel to the nail bed area of the thumbnail as well, because my intention was to apply the transfer foil to the whole nail. So I cured the transfer foil glue for 30 seconds, and now I'm just cutting piece of the Aurora transfer foil and placing it on my thumbnail, and I'm just going to rub that in to the thumbnail. And I'm using this, I really don't know what this is for. I got this in one of my nail kits, so I'm just using it just to smoothen the transfer foil so that it transfers well on the thumbnail. And then I peeled away the transfer foil, and I got nothing. Not one thing. I was so disappointed. I was so confused. I was so frustrated because this nail set was not going my way at all. I felt like the universe was against me, not going to lie. I was confused. So I decided to try again because I didn't want to give up. So I am going to just be sticking the transfer foil on my index nail. I don't think I have anything on my index nail. I believe I have gel base coat on the index nail, but I just decided to apply just to see what would happen, and nothing happened. Now moving on to the middle nail, I do have on the gel base coat that I said was optional, and I cured it for 30 seconds. So I just decided again to apply the transfer foil to the middle nail, and some of the transfer foil was transferred but not the whole thing, which was kind of annoying. And off camera, I just applied some of the transfer foil glue to the tip of the index nail and cured it, and then I placed the transfer foil and it stuck down. So transfer foil can only stick to nail tips, they cannot stick to your nails at all. So that was something that I did wrong, and yeah, I did the same for the pinky nail. And then I just decided to randomly stick the transfer foil on the middle nail and the ring nail, just randomly go all over the nail and just stick whatever transfers would transfer, and a lot of it did transfer. So it still worked, it just didn't work like I wanted it to work. So I didn't get to see the pattern that the transfer foil had on the nail because it wasn't placed in the pattern that was on the transfer foil. It was just randomly placed into spots, and wherever it stuck, it stuck. So that was the best that could happen. So I just decided to go with the flow. Now on to the thumbnail, I just applied a layer of the transfer foil glue just to the tip area of the nail tip and cured it for 30 seconds. Then I am placing some of the Aurora transfer foil on the tip of the nail only, and then I just rubbed it in. Then I peeled off the transfer foil and it worked, and it looked really good. It's just very disappointing that I cannot apply transfer foil to the whole nail like I wanted it to, but it worked out. So this glitter I also got in my colorful July mystery box, so I am going to be using that, and it's such a pretty glitter. So I apply a layer of gel base coat to the tip area of the pinky nail, and then I am going to place some of the glitter on this nail and cure for 30 seconds, and this is how it looks. So gorgeous. So I wanted the Aurora transfer foil to be the background of these glitter nails, so the glitter nails would have this kind of iridescent shifting look in the background of the glitter nails, and I think it looks good. So anyway, on the index nail I applied a layer of gel base coat to the whole nail, and I'm just placing the glitters on the whole nail and curing that for 30 seconds. Now on the thumbnail I am just placing the glitters at the tip of the nail and curing that for 30 seconds. And these glitters were really nice, really good to work with, and I love how they looked when they were encapsulated. I love it. I just love how this nail design turned out, regardless of all of the drama I got to get this nail design looking the way it looked. And although I didn't get it how I wanted it to look, it still looked okay. At first I really didn't like how it looked, but then it kind of grew on me. So now I am just applying some more gel base coat to the middle nail and the ring nail to seal in the transfer foil pattern, and I'm also applying the gel base coat to the glitter nails just to seal in the glitters. This part really wasn't necessary, but I just decided to do it and cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using a Siesta from Makartt, and I'm going to be doing some ombre nails. So I just applied a small bead of the Siesta polygel to the nail bed area of the pinky nail, and I just evenly distribute the polygel around the cuticle area, making sure that it looks really neat. And then I bring the polygel up the nail a bit and I had to remove some of the polygel because there was too much polygel on this nail. So yeah, I'm just going to neaten up that. And also, this glitter has a bit of a thickness to it. It's not flat. So when I try to ombre this, it will be a little difficult, but it is doable. So I just thought I'd let you guys know this glitter is not flat. It has a bit of a raise to it. So doing this ombre wasn't easy, but it also wasn't hard. But it was different as compared to doing it on flat glitters because there is a bit of resistance because the surface is not smooth. So on the thumbnail, so I cured that for 30 seconds, and now on the thumbnail I am doing the same thing. So I just placed the polygel around the cuticle area, making sure that it looks very neat around the cuticle area. Then I make sure to get a straight line across the nail before I start my ombre. Then I fade the polygel into the glitter, and when I'm satisfied with how it looks, I would cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be encapsulating the nails. So I start on the pinky nail. I apply a layer of my Makartt clear polygel to the whole nail. I'm just evenly distributing that to encapsulate the nail to protect my glitters and the ombre. And when I'm satisfied with how it looks, I would cure that for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to encapsulate the ring nail. I'm not going to be showing myself encapsulating all of the nails. However, I'm going to be showing myself encapsulating each nail that's different. So I showed myself encapsulating the pinky nail, then I'm showing myself right here encapsulating the ring nail, and then I'm going to be showing myself encapsulating the index nail because each nail is different. So I just wanted to show myself encapsulating each of the nails just to show you guys each of the nails are encapsulated the same, but I still want y'all to see how they are encapsulated so that y'all wouldn't be wondering. And I cured each nail for 30 seconds. So this is how the nails are looking when all of them are encapsulated. Now I'm just using rubbing alcohol to remove the tacky layer from all of the nails, and I filed the nails off camera. So this is after filing of the nails. Now I'm just going to be top coating all of the nails and curing for 30 seconds. I also top coated the underside of the glitter nails and cured that for 30 seconds. The middle nail and the ring nail low-key looks like rose quartz nails, and I really like that. Let me know what you guys think about it. Now I'm applying cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. And this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think about it, and if you'd like to purchase anything from Colorful July, I will have a link in the description below. You need to check them out. They have some really nice nail accessories and they are really affordable. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about my nail set in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.